For a link to the PDF version of these instructions, check down below in the description. The 6x6 military medallion raised garden bed requires 12 2-foot boards with stacking brackets on both sides and 12 stacking stakes per level. For a full list of parts required for each level, as well as cubic soil required for each level, check down below in the description. To connect your boards and brackets, take a bracket and slide one onto either end of your board until the snap lock hole is lined up. Once you have the hole lined up, take one of your snap lock plugs and lay it flat onto that opening. Then with the palm of your hand, apply firm pressure until you hear a click. Now flip the board around and repeat this step on the other side. If you're having trouble installing the snap lock plugs by hand, you can also use a hammer or mallet to install them. If you think that you've installed your bracket in the wrong orientation and you need to remove it and flip it around, you can do so using a flathead screwdriver. Take the flathead screwdriver and insert it into the opening on either side of the snap lock plug. Insert it and apply firm pressure into the snap lock plug and then twist up. Then flip it around again and repeat this step. Firm pressure into the nub and twist up. Now you can remove your bracket and flip it around. When connecting the boards and brackets for your design, make sure to connect the brackets on either end in alternating fashion. On this side we have a bracket sleeve that's in the down position, and on the other side have the bracket in the up position. For hard surface installation, you can use a hacksaw to cut off the part of the stake that inserts into the ground. For the first level of your design, lay out the boards flat on the ground so that you can see the footprint of where your garden will be. Connect the boards of your base using stacking stakes inserted into the joints upside down. This will allow you to adjust the shape of your garden before hammering in the first level stakes into the ground. Once you've made the final adjustments for the first level of your garden, you can flip over those stacking stakes and hammer them into the ground. If you're building a one-level design, the last step would be to install your finishing caps and then your frame is complete. For all multi-level designs, stack 12 additional 2-foot boards for each level and secure those levels with stacking stakes. The stacking stakes will insert into the top of your ground level stacking stakes. With the final level of your frame installed, the last step is to attach your finishing caps, and then you're ready to fill it with soil and start planting. If you're having trouble with animals getting into your garden during the growing season, check down below in the description for a link to our 2-foot animal barrier. If you have any questions on this instructional video, please email us at support@frameitall.com.
Frame it all.